Ants are a secret society made up of millions across the globe, and only now are we beginning to understand them. How good are ants at gripping surfaces? To answer that, scientists at a United States laboratory have developed an elaborate experiment, as you can see from this rare footage. Never before have we seen such a dependency between species of insect. Clearly more agile and intelligent than the ant, the queen wasp is particularly impressive in combat. Scientists continue to conduct experiments to discover the ultimate adversary of the ant and wasp, with some creatures able to ghost through nest walls in pursuit of victims. Many soldier ants together, though an effective team, are still not as heroic as a giant ant teamed with a skilled wasp ally. With our ever-changing climate, the uncomfortable heat is another reason you are likely to see ants and wasps indoors. And from a biologist's perspective, it is the most thrilling thing you'll see in a cinema this summer. There have been recent sightings of the rare drummer ant, the shrinking burglar ant, and wingless ants travelling on the back of their flying cousins, with super wasps reported too. All in all, this could make for the most exciting and dramatic nature documentary ever produced. Funny too.
We're gonna die. I don't want to die. We didn't die!
Hey, what'd I miss?
We were just tiny!
It takes two to